Today, let's explore the kiwi fruit. Understand its seeds, learn its health benefits, and see how you can grow kiwi easily at home. How to cut it, peel it, eat it. Look, this is kiwi seeds. They are completely edible and safe to eat. These tiny seeds add fiber and support healthy digestion. Health benefits of kiwi. Kiwi is rich in vitamin C, which boosts immunity. It supports digestion, improves skin glow, and helps heart health. Kiwi is low in calories and high in antioxidants. How to grow kiwi at home? Kiwi grows on vines and needs support to climb. From seeds, clean and germinate on a damp paper towel. Plant shallowly. It can take 6 or 7 years to give flower, and it has different gender too. From cuttings, take 6 to 8 inch semi-hardwood. Remove bottom leaves. Dip in rooting hormone. Plant 2 inches deep in moist, well-draining soil. Cover for humidity. Roots in 6 weeks. Fruit in 2 to 3 years. Care. Take 30% garden soil, 30% compost, 30% sand, 10% perlite, 6 to 8 hours sunlight, regular watering, and support for the vine. How to peel and cut kiwi. Wash the kiwi fruit thoroughly. Place it on a cutting board and slice them. Inside, you can see the bright green flesh and a beautiful natural seed pattern. How to eat kiwi? The simplest way to eat kiwi is slice it and eat it directly. You can make kiwi juice. Kiwi tastes sweet, juicy, and slightly tangy. With a little patience and care, kiwi can grow beautifully at home. Follow Garden Glows for more natural gardening and fruit knowledge.